These are my sounds. As you know, I've got the normal one.
Plug.
I use this one when I'm speaking facts about, obviously, I'm one of the best footballers to come out of Hackney.
Plug.
Okay, now you got my second sound.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
I've got to use that in a lot of scenarios because a lot of people chat a lot of shit nowadays. Now these are, you already know about these sounds. The people over here don't, you know. But now these are the new ones I have got that I'm happy to show everyone. This is the first one. You got that one. A lot of people drop a lot of stinkers and takes. This one, we got this one. Some of you might know where that's from. We've got this one. This one. Did you hear that one?
Yeah.
Did they hear this one? Let me play that again. And last but not least, we've got, you guys are going to be hearing this a lot because I win a lot of in everything I do majority of the time. We've got I love that song for. Anyway, those are all my sounds.